Hello, my beautiful fans. You are now 50,000 of you on Twitter. We hit today and now nearly at 51,000 already. 77,000 here on this YouTube channel. 93,000 on Mcrt Twitter. Almost 50,000 in Mcrt Telegram. These are some of the communities, not including Instagram, Gravity. We have huge communities. You're all amazing. I love that you're on this journey with me. And I love that I've made hundreds of thousands of millionaires. I've helped so many people in the last 2.5 years of this channel, in the last 10 years or longer of me teaching people. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button down there. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Mcrt is more than 40% up against Bitcoin and Ethereum today, while the entire market is red. While everything is dropping, including Bitcoin, Mcrt is up 40%, which is incredible. Big congratulations to all of you. Big bounce back, almost bouncing back and completely wiping out the drop from Bitcoin. Mcrt is nearly fully recovered. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and this is what, check this out. This is Mcrt up 41% against Bitcoin and 46% against Ethereum, up 38% today. Where the rest of the market got annihilated, Mcrt is doing a full recovery on that Bitcoin drop. This was that Bitcoin drop when we went from 2 cents all the way down to 13 cents and nearly fully recovered. So huge congratulations to all of you. It's the only cryptocurrency, look at this, in the entire watch list. Mcrt is the leading again. Every day it's leading the entire market. Up 18% here on TradingView, but it's actually up 38% today. 3.7% Ethereum Classic, 3.5%, Doge is up 3.5%, Cake 3%, BNB 3%, and Mcrt is up 38%. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin now. On the 4-hourly, we're extremely oversold. It bounced exactly where I said. It held on this $21,000 line, exactly holding. And don't forget, if you had trades open, you shouldn't have lost any money because the last trades were in the positive and you moved your stop loss into profits. So it just hit your profitable stop loss. The same here. We're already on this trade now in the profits. So move your stop loss into profits, everyone. Stochastic is extremely oversold here. Also on the daily now, Stochastic extremely oversold. On the weekly, it's turning down, but still oversold. 4-hourly oversold with huge volume coming in. This is the point, in my opinion, to go long with the tight stop loss. I would keep the same trade from the previous video. Opening along at 21,100, already in the profits a little bit. Stop loss at 19,900, take profit at 25,500. That gives you a 3.7 ratio trade, risking 1,100 to make 4,400 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, would make $44,000 of profits. And this is the same trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. On the hourly, we're slightly overbought now, so it can pull back a bit. So I'd move it down to here in case it comes down to retest, and putting the stop loss just underneath this support. And or actually, I'll put the stop loss higher in case it wicks down. I'll put the stop loss here, and the take profit, keeping it at the top of the channel. Now we need to hold this 21K mark. If Bitcoin breaks this channel and drops, that would be very bad. So we need to be holding that 21K mark. That is the trade. I would be going long on Bitcoin. The time to sell was on November 11th, 2021, when I called the day of the top up here at 69,000. Down here is at 20K. That's the time, in my opinion, to be buying. And if we break this downtrend line, this is a huge W formation, that if Bitcoin breaks this downtrend line, it can be a massive movement up, and there's so much panic. This is not the time to be selling, people. This is not the time to be selling. 69K was the time to be selling. Now let's jump into Mcrt. Again, Mcrt compared to the rest of the market is up today 34%, up 37% against Bitcoin, up 42% against Ethereum, ranked 2,768. It's on 8 million people's watch list. We now on Ethereum chain, BNB chain, Phantom chain, and we just listed on Solana chain. They just did a bridge to Solana, so we are now on Solana's chain as well, which is huge news, and there's reasons for it as well. Now sitting at just under 2 cents, 1.7 cents. It's volume 3.8 million. The circulating supply is being updated by CoinMarketCap. They're doing a verified circulating supply, and we should then be ranked 700. This is the daily chart. This is the 7-day chart, which is incredible because this was Bitcoin's massive drop, and we're bouncing back almost completely. This is the 1 month chart. Look at that. It's up more than 10 times in the last month. 10 times. That is the equivalent, everyone, in the last month. That means if you had put $1,000 when I told you, you would now have $10,000. If you put $100,000, you would now have $1 million. If you put $1 million, you would now have $10 million. That's the equivalent that it's moved right now. And that's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to, 10 times would be Bitcoin going to $200,000 or Ethereum going to $20,000. So that's why this, and Mcrt is still less than 2 cents. So pay attention to it. Also now we have in the total value locked in staking protocol and app.Mcrt, 417 million. You got all these bonuses, lockup periods, etc., which is beautiful. And the Twitter is just blowing up for Mcrt. Check out this. This is Mcrt Twitter now. We have now 93,000 members in here. This is the gameplay trailer for PC and mobile. PC, mobile, and this isn't just fake. This is actually, the gameplay is real. Mcrt is now available on Solana blockchain. That's the contract address, which is beautiful. Mcrt is now available on Solana. Stake your MCRT. There's the instructions. This is on Twitter. You can go onto Twitter. Tesla is still up for grabs in the Genesis NFT. That it's still unclaimed. In the Genesis NFTs, the Tesla is still not unclaimed. There's a one Tesla hidden inside the Genesis NFTs. Now 93,000 followers of MCRT on Twitter. This is me playing the game yesterday with Dr. Javan. He's on Android. This is me on iOS. And we're versing each other for MCRT. This was at the airport. It's incredible. The game is incredible. The team is loving it. We have the top 5 community on CoinMarketCap. BNB is first, PlayDApp second. We're fourth in CoinMarketCap, which is amazing. That's what's happening on Twitter. In the Telegram, everyone's just celebrating like crazy. 43,000 members, and we are going to be listing on 6 other exchanges upcoming, so pay attention to it, everyone. People are trying to guess the exchanges, and everyone just celebrating, which is beautiful. We've got 43,000 members in here, and the reason I'm showing you so much information about Mcrt is this is what's happened to Mcrt in the last month. And this is what Bitcoin's done, and now it's actually dropped more in the last month. It's gone up 10 times in the last month, and we're just getting started. So that's what's happening. In the next video, I'll do Solana and I'll do Ethereum. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join 77,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice, but pay very close attention to Mcrt. The reason I make I'm already a multi-millionaire. I'm already retired. If you've been following my videos for 2.5 years, you've seen me traveling the world, living the best villas in the world, living in Dubai. I've got an apartment in Dubai that's one of the best apartments in the world, living on the beach in Thailand, traveling the world. You've seen me go to Switzerland, Nepal, I don't know how many countries. If someone can list them in the comments, if you've been watching me for 2.5 years, how many countries have I been in? You've seen me living in the best hotels, the highest quality of life, all from my phone. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. Pay attention to MCRT. This is your chance. Pay attention to it. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.